Good morning students. Welcome to computer online class. Hope you all are fine at home. What do you mean by wireless? See, wireless technology refer to technology that allow us to communicate without using cables or wires. Technology has enabled devices to get connected to each other without wires. Have you ever wondered how a television can be controlled with a remote? Are there any wires connecting the two? No, they are connected to each other through wireless technology. You can able to communicate with each other, but there is no connection of any wire. That's why it's a wireless technology. Wireless communication, as the term implies, does not need wires for data transmission. It uses electromagnetic energy for data transmission. Examples of wireless communication are changing television channels, opening and closing a garage doors, and wirelessly transferring a file from one computer to another. Look at some of the picture of wireless. Now, let us look at some popular wireless technologies. Infrared communication. In this technology, data is transferred and communication takes place with the help of infrared ports. Remotes of various appliances like television, music system and air conditioner use infrared transmission system. Infrared uses a beam of invisible light to transmit information. This means that the infrared ports of both devices must be aimed at each other to establish a connection. It allows you to exchange information between two devices up to about 50 feet without using wires or cables. Now the next one, Bluetooth. I know all of you know about Bluetooth. Nowadays, devices like mobile phone, laptop, digital cameras and music system have a special wireless connection system called Bluetooth. This enables transfer of data wirelessly from one Bluetooth enables device to the others. However, both devices need to have a Bluetooth connection. Bluetooth uses a radio frequency which allows transmission even through walls and other objects. Bluetooth is mostly used to connect a computing device such as a cell phone with a peripheral device such as a wireless headset. The range is small, but the device don't need to be pointed directly at each other. They just have to be in range of a wireless router to connect with one another. Now students, let's see the next technology, that is Wi-Fi technology. Wi-Fi technology has a large range and higher bandwidth than Bluetooth. It is a standard that wireless networking equipment uses. It is a wireless networking solution that allows devices such as computers, laptops or smartphones to connect to a network through an access point. Such as a router, Wi-Fi is actually a trademarked phrase from the Wi-Fi Alliance and it is based on IEEE 802.11x, a standard for networking. Wi-Fi is not a short form for wireless fidelity. As some people think, Wi-Fi is a high-speed wireless technology that connects Wi-Fi equipped device with the help of radio waves to one another, to a LAN or to the internet without wires. See here, Wi-Fi connection usually have a long range. We can even have access to them in public places like airports, hotels, office complex and malls. Now let's see the last one, that is GPS. This stands for Global Positioning System. GPS involves receiver that receive and transmit signals through a satellite. It is used primarily for locating the position or location of the user. GPS is used in many fields of study like vehicle tracking system, navigation, mapping and survey. Global Positioning System, that is GPS, is a navigation system that was designed by the US Department of Defense and uses satellites orbiting the Earth. GPS is now commonly used to locate routes to a destination while driving. It has a network of 24 satellites that orbit the Earth and helps users determine a precise location. These satellites synchronously broadcast data to GPS receiver. Based on this data, a GPS device estimates the current location and the route and distance to another location. So wherever we go or we are in that place, the GPS can able to find out. It's receiver that receive and transmit signals through a satellite. Hope students, you have known what are wireless technologies, and today we have learned some of the popular wireless technologies that are infrared communication, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi technology and GPS. You can go through your textbook and see all the details about it. Thank you students for listening my online class. Take care, be safe at home. Bye bye students. Bye.